Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, this is Darius Evardo. If you're new here to my YouTube channel and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe now. And also please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below: Instagram at Darius Evardo, Facebook Darius, and TikTok at Darius. And yeah, so for today's video, I will be sharing to you guys my last makeup kit for the year 2021, happened December 31. Yeah, so I did a makeup for our Miss Cassandra at Kalikasan, Miss Justin Joy Escalante Bornell. So I did her makeup for her last photo shoot for the year 2021. And yeah, so this video will be more on voiceover. So I think without further ado, let's jump out to the video. So first step, of course, applying foundation, and it's very important to match the foundation. So yeah, as you can see, I observed first which foundation suits well to her skin, and yeah, I used two brands of foundation, one from Maybelline and one from Everbelena. So the foundation that matched for her skin was the Everbelena in the shade Olive. It is the only liquid foundation and it is full coverage, unlike to Maybelline, only light to medium coverage. Yes. And yeah, I used kabuki brush to blend the foundation, and you know, other artists use beauty sponge, but I don't recommend it at all. For me lang ha. Actually, because it absorbs the product. Yeah. And blending is very important. So blend it well. Blend in but don't blend it. Actually, kinda choris. Yeah, blend it too. So guys, off cam, I apply liquid concealer for her, so it will diminish the uneven colors. And yeah, and also as you can see, I am applying a face powder, and I am using face powder from Everbelena. I mean from Maybelline. Yeah, from Maybelline New York, in the shade 228. And just like your tagline, the fit me skin, it fits to my client's skin. Yeah. And it is easy to blend. And don't forget to include the neck when you're applying powder, because it is not okay. Charing. Yeah. Now I am using a fluffy brush. I am applying a setting powder, so this will prevent the fallout of any product, and it will highlight the face as well. And yeah, and I did a layer of this. Process. Yeah. So guys, for her brows, I use browsing kit from BYS. I added first a wax so that I can shape and brush up the strands of her brows, and applying a wax will hold the brows powder. Yeah, so that's what I like. So the brush that I am using is this fully with angled brush from Maangi Cosmetics. Yeah. So after dusting up the setting powder, I set another powder using again the Maybelline Fit Me face powder in the shade 228 or warm beige, and to make her skin flawless and beautiful. Kidding. And also when I'm doing a makeup to my clients, I do a chica with them, you know. Kidding, eme. So after doing all the face, I sprayed a setting powder. So commonly other artists use it on the very last part of their process of doing the makeup, but me, I do it on the face product. And also when I'm doing a setting spray, I use with a sponge. Now I am doing a contour using Wet n Wild face sculpt, you know. So this will give definition and dimension to my client's face. Yeah. So when I am doing my contour process, I used to apply it on the jawline, the cheekbone, and the forehead. Yeah. So when I'm doing contour, it's more giving the bronzer, yeah, something like that. Keme. Chiring. So doing a contour is one of my favorite part, for my favorite process when I'm doing the makeup. Yeah, chiring. So I am using a angled brush, yeah, to sculpt and reshape or shape or define her face. Yeah. We're on the eyeshadow or the eye part. Excuse me. So using the Palmira or Palmira from BG Cosmetics or Beauty Glaze Cosmetics, I use the warm brown. Yeah, so this will give definition and define her eyes, to create illusion as well to her eyes, you know, to have contour with her eyes. Yeah. So using the whole palette, the Cebuana makeup eyeshadow palette, I use the shimmer or the white silver eyeshadow. This will give highlights, extra beauty and elegance, you know. And now I am on the process of applying eyeliner. So this will just a extended wing and eyeliner, yeah, where I'm doing a editorial makeup look. Yeah, I'm actually. So I have shortcut the video. We're now on the hair, so I just do a curl at 2021 to 2022 trending hairstyle, and in doing so I added a rhinestone and other chemical on her hair. So I have just sprayed it spray and yeah, dusted the brows, you know. I mean the powder. Check So for her lips, I am using a lip liner from Everball and the shade Toast of Dark. And yeah, I create a new lip line of her so that it will give a drama, and off cam I added a lip gloss so it will make her lips lively. Yeah, charing. So guys, this is the behind the scene of my setup. It's not very professional yet, but let's hope soon. Charing. So here's the set. I'm in the location. We're here at Barcelona. So yeah. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.